Hey there, gang. Welcome back to Papa's Model Workshop. I'm Papa. This is my workshop. I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas and Happy Hanukkah and whatever else you're celebrating at this time of the year. I hope you had a wonderful holiday season. So Christmas was yesterday, and Santa was very good to me. I'll show you some of the new stash ads that I got from Santa. Those are back in the workshop simply because I have more room to show you those in the workshop. I don't have enough room here to spread that all out. So we'll take a peek back there in just a second, and I'll show you what Santa left me. I want to say a quick Merry Christmas to my friend John Pilger. He finally got a dehydrator. He's been wanting a dehydrator for a while, and he also got a brand new shop chair. So good for you, John. And I also want to make a shout out to my friend Jolene Toomey. Jolene is getting into modeling. She got her very first model. It's an MPC Cougar, and she said that she's going to get together with that model and work on it right after Christmas. And today's the day after Christmas, so maybe she's doing that right now. So good luck to you, Jolene. I hope you love the hobby, and if you have any questions, you can certainly ask me or well, just about anybody on YouTube. Okay, so for all of you brand new modelers out there, if you eventually want to get down the pike and get into airbrushing one day, you can do that by going to Gallery, okay? And you will get a 10% discount on all of Gallery's products, airbrushes, and what am I trying to say? Accessories, that's what I'm trying to say. Gallery accessories. Only if you put in my discount code, PPMW. Okay, I still have a holiday hangover here, so my brain's not working. And you can also go to Amazon too. And if you go to Amazon to purchase your Gallery products, then put in that discount code. Okay, and that also includes all Kaleido paints. If you want a shop card, there's the email address. Send me an email real quick, and I will get a shop card out to you. Okay, so I think that's the housekeeping for now. I got so many holiday wishes and Merry Christmas and so on and so forth that I can't possibly name everybody. So I'm just going to give a general shout out and thank everybody. Seriously, I appreciate it very much. I want to thank everybody who sent me Merry Christmas wishes and holiday wishes and so on and so forth. And again, I wish I could respond to each and every one of you individually, but I just got so many of them that I can't get to everyone. So I apologize that I can't respond to everybody, but I do want you to know that I got them. I read every single one, and I appreciate it so much. And this channel exists because of all of you out there. One more thing, I want to give a congratulations to my niece, Julie. She had her engagement party here on Christmas Eve, as a matter of fact. She is getting married to her fiance, Chris, and I want to welcome Chris to our family. And they are planning a wedding for, I think, this upcoming summer, I think, is when the wedding is going to be planned for. So congratulations to Julie and Chris. And as a matter of fact, Chris mentioned to me that he wants to start his own YouTube channel for cooking. So he was asking me, a couple of questions and so forth. I'm still trying to figure out YouTube myself. So I don't know if I'm the best person to give advice. But, basically I just said, just be yourself. It's really the best thing to do. Speak to the camera as if you were speaking to somebody else, and just relax and, be yourself, So anyway, I'll tell you what, let's head back to the workshop and take a look and see what Santa brought me, okay? Okay, gang, we're back here at the paint bench because this is the bench that seems to have most of the room on it. So I don't know if you can see all of this, but I will hold it up. And first on The board here is the 32 Ford. This is an AMT kit, and I think this is in 1/32nd scale, I think. Yeah, 1/32nd scale, 32 Ford. All right, pretty cool. And we also have an ICM 1913 Roadster. Now, take a look at that, huh? Now, you know I love these old cars, so Santa must have heard that Papa loves these really old cars, and that's pretty much what I got. I love these old cars. I'm really looking forward to getting to these. This is in 1/24th scale, I think. Yeah, 1/24th scale right there. All right, isn't that cool? That is really cool. Let's see here. We have a 1910. Talk about old stuff, right? 1910 London taxi cab. All right. Also in 1/24th scale right there. How cool is that? All right. I actually like that green color. Green and the gold. That's pretty cool. Let's see. What else do we have here? We have a 1912 Roadster. Another really cool one. All right. Again, 1/24th scale. There it is. 1/24th down there. All right. And I got to tell you, this was a great Christmas. And we've got one outside the box here, a Peterbilt Big Rig. All right. AMT Peterbilt. And I'm pretty sure this is a 1/25th scale, I think. Right. Yep. There it is. Says so right there. 1/25th scale. Absolutely cool. All right. So that was my Christmas stash for this year. Continuing on with the Duesenberg. All right, here we go. Okay, and if you haven't seen it, this is being done in Vallejo Ivory White and Kaleido. There we go. Kaleido. This is red copper, I think. Yeah, I think it's a metallic red copper. Here we go. Hang on, guys. Let's see what we got here. Metallic purple red. That's what it is. Okay, can you see that? Okay. All right. So that is a great color, and the GT is over there, and I will show you that in the next video. So I'll tell you, I did a really quick video just before Christmas, and it was called Papa's Quick Hits. And basically, it's designed to be a quick hit on a particular subject, probably something that I'm going to demonstrate or show on a build or something like that. Maybe it'll be something about an airbrush. I don't know. But it'll be just a quick, 5-10 minute video. Maybe it'll extend to being 12 or 15 minutes, but just a very quick hit on something in particular being demonstrated here in the workshop. So I did that video, and I got a really positive response. It's only been a couple of days, but so far the responses that I have gotten have been really very positive. So I think we'll probably add that as a feature. I don't know how often I'll do the Papa's Quick Hits. I don't know if I'll do it maybe, I don't know, once or twice a month. Maybe if it really is something that you all like, maybe I'll do it once a week. I don't know. But it's something that I will incorporate, and we'll just do something really quick, mostly pointed towards the newer modeler. Somebody that's new to the hobby, or somebody who's not in the hobby yet but thinking about it. So I think the Papa's Quick Hits will be kind of a basic thing. You know, we've done a Papa's Basics video from time to time, so it'll be in line with that. Only the difference between a Papa's Basics video and the Papa's Quick Hits video is it's going to be just that, a real quick hit. You know, maybe 10, 12 minutes in duration, maybe even less. So, all right. So, again, I want to thank all of you out there for tuning in and keeping this channel going. I appreciate it. And again, I'm going to repeat myself. Thank you so much for everybody that sent me holiday wishes. And we're going to wrap this one up. We're going to make this a short one, all right? Because I am anxious to get back to the bench and back to work, and maybe even open up some of these kits that Santa left me and take a look at them. I'm not going to build them right now because I'm in the middle of the GT and the Duesenberg, but I might open them up and take a look at it. So, all right. So you all have a Merry Christmas weekend. It's still Christmas weekend, even though Christmas was yesterday, but we've got the whole weekend ahead of us. Speaking of the weekend, we've got a big snowstorm coming tonight. Here on Long Island, we're under a winter storm warning right now, and we're supposed to get about 8 inches or more of snow overnight tonight. So I guess that's why I have to get down to work here in the workshop today, because tomorrow I'm probably going to be clearing snow all day. All right. So if you are in the Long Island area, best of luck to all of you with the snow. I'll see everybody in the next video.